think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Hello, my name is GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. It's kind of a video marathon here because I'm just making videos. It doesn't take very long to make videos of Hearthstone, so I'm just making a bunch. In this particular game today, we're going to play our main mage deck because we have another quest out there to get 10. What's it called now? Darn it! 1 second. Darn it! Having a mental fart here. Second. 1 second. Divine Shield. Thank you. Yeah, we're supposed to get 10 Divine Shield characters played. So yeah. We'll go ahead and use our mage, which has a few Divine Shield characters in it, and we'll see if we can reverse our most recent string of bad luck here, falling from rank 17 to rank 18 on the strength of our Gadget Sand Dark Side. Do I have more than one of those? I do. Wow, that's not good. I'll have to fix that. Okay, anyway. That's something to do off screen. Go through, look at them, eliminate one. Don't need 2 of those decks. Still a warrior, although you know what? This will be kind of cool if he actually uses a warrior aggro pirate deck. That'd be kind of nice. Might look kind of neat doing that. I don't like you. I don't like you, and you. Let's try to get something a little bit better in terms of less expensive cards, especially since I'm starting first. Well, mission sort of accomplished. First off, yeah, let's go ahead. Go ahead and do that. Give him the first turn, go into and get the next crystal. Holy hell! Okay, he did that. That was stupid, but okay. We'll get our mana worm out there and get him going. Yeah, if you like to. There you are. Okay, a little bit of action there finally. And 3 damage. Ouch. Mana worm died. Okay. Okay. Guess what? There you go. Let's get our cult sorcerer out there to get us a little bit of a magic boost. Okay. And the reason why you do this is because, let's see, I want to use you. Go ahead and do that, and then there we are. Let's start getting him a little bit further more damaged here. Do more damage. Do more damage. Get ourselves doing what we want to do here. Oh. Interesting weapon. Okay. And now we're down to... Okay, let's go ahead and use you. And we'll do that. Do us a fireball at him. There you are. By the way, no, I don't do cross-chat like this, so I'm not going to be like responding to you every time he says hello there or anything like that. That's just stupid. Hi! Ow! Ow! Stop that. Okay, here's how you slow down the game. Let's do you. And oh, by the way, I have, not Cthulhu. I have the one guy, forget his name here all of a sudden. But, he casts spells for the number of spells that you cast. So, with each spell that I'm casting, if I get him, he'll be a lot stronger. Forgetting him again, and I apologize for that, but this is turning into... I might not make it to that round, though. Try to buy us a little bit of time here. Well, you know what we can do? Here. Eat ice, bitch. 3 points of damage to you. Okay. That should give me another turn of... not quite peace and quiet, but, you know. Ow! Okay. Let's see. We're gonna... oh, yes, certainly. We are certainly getting rid of that. Crunch, die. What else do we got up here? Let's go ahead and do that. And while we can do it, minion attacks me, destroy it. Very good. So this should equalize things out quite nicely, I think. Yep, die. Die! You die now! Yep. Okay. We're only down by 5 points, which is not bad. So, well, make it 8. That's a little bit worse. Make it 10. Make it 10. There you go. Okay. Do 4 damage to all minions. Oh, good. You know what we can do? Here, you go out there. Do 5 damage to all minions. Die. There's a trick. It won't, I mean, this guy's gonna die horribly. The blood mage is gonna die horribly, but, you know. Ooh, Nefarian! Guess what? I get one too! Which means he's gonna die. So I'm gonna use Nefarian to kill him. Wait, yeah. Use Nefarian to kill him. Yes. Get me cards. Fuck. Hey, you know what? Here. Do this. Let's do this. Play Hearthstone right. Go ahead and do this. And then do that. That freezes him into place. And take another point of damage while you're at it. Let's do this. There we go. Now, you do something about my Nefarian or I kill you next turn. Very cool. Turn this around. Nice. He has to do something about my Nefarian or he dies next turn. And guess what? Not necessarily doing anything there. Let me take a look. Let's see if we can kill things. I've got him. I think. This does 4 points of damage. Spread equally amongst all enemies. I've got 1 point here. Let's go ahead and do it. Not you. Damn it. Didn't quite do what I wanted. There you go. There we go. Well, now we only need 3, which, here. Oh, hell. I'm gonna look this up again, see what I fucked up and didn't do. Well, I didn't get one. Oh, God. Oh, I got it. There. There. Get you out. Okay, let's see what we did. Let's see what he can do. He still has to do 8 points of damage. Don't care? Okay, that. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Don't know at this point. Okay, you do how many points? 2 points. So, when that happens, yeah. Go ahead and do that. Deploy him. Let's try that. Why not? Probably could have used that to get... Oh, damn, it's going to kill everybody. 4. There we go. The good news is it took out most of his stuff too, so we're good. And did 2 points of damage. My secret again. After my opponent casts a spell. Okay. Now we're down to 3. This could get interesting. Do I die on this next card? Oh well. That hurt. But I summoned something. Guess what? I have lethal. Oh, I had lethal. I have lethal. Oh my god, bad. Oh, he has 1 turn. Oh, fuck. I had lethal. I'm gonna die. Yeah. Shit. I'll give it to him. No, actually, no. I'll let him actually play. This is me being gracious because this was a good game. So. Behold the armies of neat. Wow. Let me summon the Knights of the Round Table. That's actually pretty cool. Didn't need to do that, but it was kind of fun. Alright, well, a well-fought loss. And did I get any of the, I didn't get any of the Divine Shield guys out. I'm going to have to take a look and see where those are. I may end up going and playing my Murloc deck next. Anyway, that was an interesting game. So if you like what you saw, I did, go ahead and leave some comments below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing out.